Hey my Foxy friends, today is Easter. As you can see, I have my little bunnies and my little ducky, my little chick. I hope everybody's having a blessed day, and I just thought I'd share with you my version of green bean casserole. So you need 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. This is just a great value. I have 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 8 cups of green beans, but I'm just going to be using this 50-ounce green bean plus 2 smaller cans for the 8 cups, and then 2 2/3 cup of fried onions, and I'm just going to use a whole bag. This is a 6-ounce bag. I'm going to use a whole bag and a partial bag. So here we go. And first off, you guys, you want to drain your green beans so there's no liquid, and so those can go in your bowl. Then you can add, we're going to add our 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Bloop. Bloop. We're going to scoop that out. Okay, so we got our cream of mushroom. You can put your soy sauce, your black pepper, and our milk. I'm going to mix this first before we add. Okay. We're going to add some fried onions. I'm going to save some for the topping. I'll go ahead and mix those into the mixture. And your oven needs to be on 350. Alright, and then let's get my pan, and I'll be right back. Oh, this is a 2.5 quart dish. We're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you're going to stir the mixture, put the rest of the fried onions on top, and bake for another 5 minutes. So when it's all finished, I'll come back and show you the final yummy results. Okay, so I just took it out after the 25 minutes. Go ahead and sprinkle it with the rest of your fried onions. Pop it back in the oven for 5 more minutes, and you'll be good to go. Here we go, guys. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cooking tutorial with me. And I again want to just say have a happy Easter. This video will probably be posted after Easter, but hopefully you guys can enjoy. You can make this on any occasion, any day, any night, and let me know down in the comments below if you like the recipe and if you actually like this type of video. So just let me know. Have a great, blessed day. Love you guys. Bye.